This tutorial I will just start in this preset. I will choose this preset, hitting play. You can see it just a 3 seconds. So I will increase this. I will delete and press 6. Then you adjust the time frame. Let's say I want to hit play to see the speed. At the start, it will start at this shape. Let's say I will make some adjustment of rotation, scaling, and add a new keyframe. You just added a new keyframe. Make sure that the key is not selected, or any movement you've added it will be saved as a keyframe. So I will hit play button. I will make my adjustment accordingly. I will press the start, give it a color. I will draw a different shape. Let's say I will draw this, give red color. Let's say I give it a bevel color. Let's choose this color, this one right here. Let's say I will draw a different shape from this menu. On the left side you can draw a different shape, different presets of different shape, and make your own adjustment according to the color of the sides, the color of the bevel. You can make adjustment after choosing different shapes. So I use presets of the color of the texture of each text. Let's say I will select this one and make a text. Let's select a star and move it, scale it, rotate it, increase its size. Let's put it down here and give it a color, give it a bevel color. Let's select this one and select a texture. Select this one and give it a texture. After giving a preset texture, you can add some adjustment, like you choose this one first and try this one or this one, and heading to the timeline you can see it at this node. You can adjust in the light, you can adjust the keyframe. In this lesson I will apply lights. In this light you can choose different light and adjust the color of the light. When you adjust the color of the light, moving the light away, it's like effect of a change in the color of the object, but actually it doesn't change the color of the object. The light have a different color. So when the light move, it gives the lighting effect on an object. It's like its color is the same color of the light. So hit this panel to make your adjustment according to the light if you want to make this adjustment. It had the different presets to adjust the camera, the lights, and the shape as a scene. You can make adjustment on the lights and move the lights so you can give it an effect on a different shape on the same scene. Rather than affecting any shape separately, you can affect the light and affect the whole scene as you moving the light around them. You can see the light affects the whole scene, and if I give it a position, a different position at the second number 5, let's say I go to the second number 5 and choose different color for the light. Let's say I will choose this color and hit OK. Let's say I hit a different value, different angle of the light. It's like you move in the direction of the light. Any direction of the light gives different object reflection for the texture. It also changes its color. It's like the shape is red, but when it rotated, it gives a different color. It's some sort of effect, very effective. It gives a lighting effect. You can add it, you can adjust it at any second you want. You can just select it, add a different color for the light, then hit OK. You can see at any second you can change the position, the values, the direction of the light to give different coloring effect. So you can choose this one, make your own adjustment. Let's say I will make it around, make this color around, give it an angle value of this amount, let's say 400. Let's give it a second number 3, let's give it some direction, let's give it different color to give some lighting effect. You can see you can still editing, you can give different shape, you can different scenario for different project. It's the lighting effect. If you want to make your own adjusting on the lighting effect, you can choose different light, choose different angle, and move it along with the time frame. In the timeline you can add a new keyframe, so you're moving the line accordingly. So I will choose this one, this presets, and press OK. I will make some adjustment for the color, for the angle, for each shape. You can see I will choose this one. I repeat it again so you can have a different value, different imagination for the result you can make. You can make different result with this node. I will choose color number 1, color number 2, color number 3, a different color, and each color have two options for the color. And if you want to choose any object from the scene, it's like an keyframes for each selection. If you want to select the camera node, the shape node, or shapes inside of the scene. Let's say I will move camera position at this value. Let's give it some rotation. I rotate the camera like you hold the camera and make it around the scene. You make your own movement accordingly, the shape you move or the camera you move according to the scene. You can move the camera so you moving the whole object inside of the scene rather than selecting each one separately. You can make a whole movement if you move the camera. Like here I move the rotation of the camera, I give it some angle. Like this rotation, I move the angle of the camera at this value. Also you can delete it and give it a value of a number if you want. I hit play button to see the effect of movement of the camera with the movement of the light. I think that's all saved.